Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Libra. Four of Swords and Four of Pentacles. I think right now you are healing yourself. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. And you are focusing on yourself but thinking about them a lot. For some, you are in no contact situation. If not in near future, you will be, because Four of Swords energy and Four of Pentacles, you are holding back. Yes, you are holding back. Why? Four of Pentacles. With Four of Swords, you are thinking about them a lot and holding back. Let's see your reading. Recent past, the Hierophant, Four of Wands and King of Swords. You are very honest person. You are very straightforward in nature. Yes, King of Swords is here. For some, you both are in soulmate journey. For some, twin flames, because Four of Wands with Two of Cups. It could be soulmates or twin flames depending upon your situation and your journey. I think there are some commitment issues. For some, third party situation involved in this connection. Third party could be family, friends or other women or men. It could be anything. But I am seeing commitment issues between you and your person. So you give them clarity. You already gave them clarity. What do you want? Because King of Swords very straightforward in nature. Yes, you already told them. Then present, Three of Cups, Two of Cups and Empress. For some third party situation involved, this is mutual love. First of all, this is mutual love. You both have mutual feelings towards each other. And the Empress is here. I think you stand by your power. You are focusing on yourself. You are giving priority on your only to yourself, Libra. And for some, children also involved in this connection. Future, Page of Swords, Seven of Cups and Ace of Swords. Some communication is coming with clarity. Maybe you have options also. And Page of Swords, your person is wondering about you a lot. They are wondering about you a lot and they are watching you, spying on you on social media. I am seeing children. Children's also involved in this connection. And you are in some confusion also. For some, you are in some confusion. Maybe you have options but you don't know which you have to choose. But Ace of Swords, there is some truth coming out. Communication is coming with clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A lot of air energy and water energy is here, guys. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Tower. Right now your person undergoing some Tower moment. So their feelings towards you, their current feelings, Libra. Your person's current feelings. Ten of Swords. The Lovers. Page of Pentacles and the Chariot. Person involved in this connection could be Cancer or Gemini. So they still want rebirth in this connection. They want to test the waters. They keep tabs on you. They're keeping tabs on you. And Ten of Swords. Yes, there is so much pain without you because already the Tower card came. And Ten of Swords energy. So they are in so much pain, but still they want to be with you. And the lovers, yes, this love is mutual. Still your person have feelings for you. And Page of Pentacles, again text. They are thinking about to text you. Yes, they want to test the waters before coming towards you. And they are taking it very slow right now because the Chariot. So let's see their intentions. And children's involved in this connection. Maybe one person having kids. Their intentions towards you. Okay. Four of Wands. Again, Four of Wands. For some, you both could be twin flames also. Lord of Coins. Seven of Wands. Yes, they Knight of Wands. I think they very, very attracted to you and they have a lot of passion towards you, Hierophant. Yes, they want to offer commitment. They are very, very attracted to you, Libra. And Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. They can't let you go easily. And Four of Wands, they want celebration with you. They want happiness with you. See, Four of Wands. They want to be with you like this. And Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. And they are very, very passionate about you and they are very attracted to you. And Hierophant, definitely they are thinking about to commit to you. And lot of fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, especially air energy. But lot of passion is here. They are very, very attracted to you. Maybe in past there is no commitment. Maybe your person is in and out of your life now, but they want to be with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of cards. I am not taking because too many cards have popped out. Wow, they're coming back with an apology, message, text, and High Priestess with Three of Swords under the deck. They are feeling heartbroken without you. Yes. And Page of Cups, they want to text you, they want to say apology if they hurt you. And High Priestess, maybe for some they are manifesting you. This is spiritual connection. Maybe they are trusting their intuition, listening to their intuition. Yes, they are feeling very, very sad without you because already we got Ten of Swords. You are also undergoing some tower moment, but you are guarded up right now. Yes, because you are focusing on yourself, you are achieving you are taking your control back. Ace of Pentacles, for some you are concentrating on your career also, getting a lot of abundance and career stability is also coming, financial stability. And in this relationship, definitely there is a chance for long-term commitment. You are guarded up and you want commitment. That's all. That's why even though you are undergoing some tower moment, but you still guarded up. You want best. You deserve best. Yes. You both are, I think, very, very powerful couple because the Emperor with Queen of Swords. One person is Emperor and one person is Queen of Swords. Maybe you both have ego problems also. But I think there is some stability is coming. For some father issues also involved in this connection. So your person definitely will make action very soon. And they will fight for this connection. And they are very attracted to you. Libra. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Oh, see, unfortunately, your card, Justice, Libra, second chances, marriage. This is a coincidence. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Wow. What's going? Again Libra. This is not a coincidence now. It's a message for someone who are there and believe in the impossible. Blue moon. So definitely a win-win outcome is your forecast in relationship, in career, or in abundance. And believe in the impossible. Yes, you have to believe, because nothing is impossible. Anything is possible. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.